In this video, we have radio-controlled Lego cars and have a demolition derby. Here are the contenders. What one are you having, Pat?
The yellow one.
Hey, Pat wants that one.
I want the armour recovery vehicle.
Stephen, what one do you want?
I'm gonna have the little one. Thank you, sir.
I've got the big one. This one, I think, is gonna die the soonest, only because it's got so many gears and stuff in there. All right, let's build the track. So here is the track. If you want to see the build of this, we've done a live stream, and we're going to put a link to that live stream up here. Which car do you reckon's going to win?
Mine.
I reckon yours or Pat's. Mine's going to miserably lose. Look at all the cameras we got. We've got all different cameras here for all different angles. We've got GoPros, cameras, phone cameras. Another one there. We're going to be putting a GoPro on top of each car. It's been a few months building up to this, but I hope it's going to be worth it. Subscribe. So the rules was to build these as per instructions as much as possible. You're not allowed to use any glue or any cable ties or anything other than to fit the radio gear. We did put a couple of collets on the axles. There we go, steering is all working. Power-wise, it's just stupidly overpowered, so I can't floor it. That one, Steve, you cannot floor it flat out off the floor. If you floor it, the wheels will just snap off. Alright, is everybody ready? What's the rules going to be? Last one left running wins.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
And you have to actively actually hit people. Let's do it, go!
Go!
I can't see. Doesn't move.
What's happened to yours?
Motor's full enough.
Oh, that hot glue's come down because it's got hot in it.
Oh, so is yours still moving?
I think it only was...
Oh! Pat wins! Alright, Destruction Derby, round 2. If we go in here, look, we've got a new death bowl. All the smashing's got to happen in the confines of these 4 post things. We've got a camera on each post, set to slow motion. Hopefully this time round we're going to see some better carnage. Alright, let's go. What's going to happen?
Okay, let's do it on 1.
2, 1, go!
Oh!
Oh, the boss is called in. Destruction's up. Oh!
Look at the steering.
Hello, man. It's had it, hasn't it? Look at that mess of that. See you later, dude.
There's Dave.
See you later, dude.
Jesus. Where's the bonnet?